Hey everyone, Alex Rivera here. Welcome back. Today we're cutting through the sci-fi noise to reveal 10 surprising facts about artificial intelligence that will change how you see it. Forget killer robots. We're talking about the real ways AI is already shaping your world, from news feeds to medical breakthroughs. By the end, you'll have a sharper, more nuanced understanding of what AI really is and what it can do. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive into the top 10 facts about AI. Let's start with something truly mind-blowing. AI can actually learn on its own, adapting and evolving as it goes. This isn't just about robots suddenly picking up hobbies or learning to play chess. It's a sophisticated process called machine learning, and more specifically, deep learning, which allows AI to analyze and interpret complex data. Instead of following rigid, pre-programmed instructions step by step, modern AI algorithms analyze millions upon millions of examples, think countless photos of dogs, cats, and everything in between, to independently figure out underlying patterns and relationships all on its own. It continuously gets smarter and more refined with every new piece of data it processes, just like a dedicated student who's committed to learning and never sleeps. Think about the functionality of your spam filter. It intelligently learns from the emails you manually mark as spam, catching and filtering out new junk mail without requiring a developer to manually update its rules every single time. This capacity for self-learning is precisely what makes AI so incredibly powerful, versatile, and adaptable to new situations. It empowers AI to tackle complex problems that are often too intricate or voluminous for humans to even define effectively, like accurately predicting subtle shifts in stock market trends, or spotting incredibly subtle anomalies and issues in complex medical scans with a high degree of accuracy. AI efficiently sifts through massive quantities of data, identifies hidden patterns, and generates predictions, going far beyond the limitations of simply following predefined instructions. When we say that AI learns, it's not just a figure of speech or an exaggeration. It's a sophisticated technical process that enables it to continuously improve its performance without requiring constant human intervention or manual tweaks. It's far less like a basic calculator, and much more like a super-fast, highly adaptable student. This fundamental ability to learn independently is the bedrock and foundation for almost every advanced AI application that exists today. So with that in mind, let's delve deeper and see what else AI is capable of achieving. We've seen how AI can learn from images, deciphering visual information with remarkable accuracy. But what about the way we communicate every single day? What about words? Enter natural language processing, or NLP, a field dedicated to bridging the communication gap between humans and machines. NLP lets computers understand and generate human language, enabling them to process, interpret, and even respond in a way that feels natural to us. Think translation apps, breaking down language barriers in real time, chatbots providing instant customer service and support, and those smart email replies, anticipating your needs and saving you time. It's not just about dictionary definitions or simple word matching anymore. AI now gets context, sarcasm, and even tone, understanding the nuances of human expression. Early translations were clunky and often hilariously inaccurate. But today's models like Google Translate analyze whole sentences for meaning, not just individual words, leading to far more accurate and natural-sounding results. AI can even read tweets or reviews and detect the emotional tone, happy, angry, or neutral, helping companies gauge public opinion instantly, providing valuable insights into customer sentiment. The best chatbots keep track of conversations, remembering past interactions, making interactions feel more human and less like talking to a machine. NLP bridges the gap between us and computers, letting them speak our language instead of us learning theirs, making technology more accessible and intuitive. This progress is thanks to AI learning from massive amounts of text and speech online, constantly refining its understanding of language. The result? More natural, helpful, and human-like digital conversations, making our interactions with technology seamless and efficient. We're moving fast toward computers that truly understand us, anticipating our needs and responding in a way that feels intuitive. Let's see how AI is getting even more personal, adapting to our individual preferences and communication styles. Here's where things get truly sci-fi. We're stepping into a realm that was once confined to the imagination. AI assistants are rapidly evolving, learning not just to process information, but to mimic and understand the nuances of human emotions. This is a significant step beyond simple command recognition. It's called affective computing, a field dedicated to bridging the gap between human feelings and machine intelligence. And what it means is that AI can now pick up on subtle emotional cues, deciphering your emotional state through your voice or the text you input. So, if you sound frustrated or upset, a smart assistant might be programmed to respond in a calmer, more helpful and understanding way, tailoring its response to your emotional needs. AI is trained on massive datasets, vast collections of speech and text that are meticulously labeled with corresponding emotions. This allows the AI to learn and associate specific patterns in language with particular feelings. Imagine a game, a truly immersive experience where characters dynamically react to your excitement, your fear, or even your frustration, making the virtual world feel incredibly alive and responsive to your presence. Now consider customer service. In this field, chatbots can be programmed to detect anger and, when necessary, escalate complex issues or proactively change their communication style and tone to help de-escalate tense situations. The ultimate goal? To make our interactions with technology feel less robotic and transactional, and far more empathetic and understanding. Of course, this rapidly advancing technology raises some very big questions about the boundaries of privacy, data security, and the ethical implications of emotionally intelligent AI. But technically speaking, we're essentially teaching machines to understand the full human context behind our words, not just the literal meaning of what we say. It's a significant leap toward creating AI that can interact with us on a truly personal and meaningful level. But before we get too far ahead, let's take a moment to consider who ultimately gets to use and benefit from this technology. AI isn't just for billion-dollar companies anymore. Thanks to open-source tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch, anyone can build powerful AI, no PhD required. Cloud platforms let you rent supercomputers, so even small startups or solo developers can train advanced models. This democratization means innovation is happening everywhere, not just in Silicon Valley. A local business can use AI for product recommendations, a freelancer can build image recognition apps, and agencies can track brand sentiment. The barrier to entry has dropped from millions to a cloud subscription and some coding skills. Now, AI is a tool for the many, not just the few. This widespread access is speeding up development and solving niche problems big companies might miss. The future of AI is being built in dorm rooms, small offices, and co-working spaces worldwide. It's a revolution in who gets to shape technology. But what about AI and bias? We hear a lot about AI bias, and it's real, but here's the twist. AI can also help reduce human bias. In hiring, for example, humans have unconscious biases that affect decisions, and AI can be programmed to ignore demographic data, focusing only on skills and experience. This levels the playing field, giving more diverse candidates a fair shot. AI systems can be audited for bias, unlike the human mind. If bias is found, you can trace it back to the data or algorithms and fix it. The key is transparency and constant checking. AI isn't inherently biased. It reflects the data we give it. With careful design, AI can help make systems more objective and fair. Now let's talk about how fast AI is evolving. If it feels like AI is advancing at breakneck speed, you're right. What was cutting edge 2 years ago is now standard or outdated. In 2015, AI-generated images were blurry. Now, tools like DALL-E create photorealistic art from text in seconds. Language models have gone from barely coherent to writing essays, debugging code, and holding conversations. Each new version doubles in capability, and updates come in months, not years. This acceleration is a feedback loop. Better AI leads to better hardware, which leads to even better AI. Open source collaboration means breakthroughs spread globally, fast. Predicting AI's future is nearly impossible. It's moving that quickly. We're on a steep curve of change, and what seems impossible today could be in your pocket tomorrow. The only constant in AI? Rapid transformative evolution. Let's see how this impacts creativity. AI isn't just about automation, it's about collaboration. Worried AI will replace artists? The truth is, it's becoming a creative partner. Designers use AI to brainstorm ideas and generate concepts in minutes, not hours. Musicians use AI plugins for new melodies or beats, then shape them into unique tracks. Writers use AI to spark plot twists or dialogue, overcoming creative blocks. The key is augmentation. AI handles the tedious parts or offers inspiration, while humans bring vision and emotion. It's not about replacing creativity, it's about supercharging it. AI is a new kind of paintbrush, not the artist. Together, humans and AI are pushing creative boundaries. Now let's see how AI is getting personal. AI assistants like Siri and Alexa are evolving from simple tools to personal digital valets. They're learning your habits and preferences to anticipate your needs. Imagine your assistant warning you about traffic before a meeting, or offering a custom good morning routine with your news, calendar, and podcasts. It connects your apps, emails, and contacts for a seamless experience. The more you use it, the more it adapts, calling the right mom, tracking your flights, and more. This requires sharing personal data, so privacy is a big consideration. But for those who opt in, the result is a truly helpful, context-aware assistant. It's not just a voice on your phone, it's a partner in your daily life. Let's look at AI's impact where it matters most. Healthcare. AI is saving lives. AI isn't just about convenience, it's transforming healthcare. In medical imaging, AI acts as a second set of eyes spotting signs of disease that even experts might miss. It accelerates drug discovery by predicting which compounds will work, cutting years off development. AI enables personalized medicine, analyzing your genetics and history to tailor treatments just for you. From robotic surgery to predicting patient outcomes, AI is everywhere in medicine. It's not replacing doctors but giving them deeper insights and better tools. The result? Faster diagnoses, more effective treatments, and healthier lives. AI's impact here is profound and tangible. The future of medicine is data-driven and AI-powered. But what about jobs in this new world? The big question, what will AI do to our jobs? Yes, some routine jobs are being automated, but the story is more complex. AI is creating new roles, like AI ethicists and model trainers, that didn't exist before. Most jobs won't disappear, they'll be transformed and augmented by AI. Accountants, lawyers, and doctors will use AI to handle tedious tasks, freeing them for higher-level work. The most valuable skills now? Creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. We'll work alongside AI, using it as a tool to boost our abilities. The future of work is a partnership, human and machine together. It's not about replacement, but reinvention. Let's wrap up. That's 10 surprising facts about AI. Hope you see this tech in a new light. Which fact surprised you most? Are you excited or concerned about AI's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay curious, stay informed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.